Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Nick and today I want to show you how to update Capcut on PC in 2024. So I will show you the way for Windows, but I think it will be relevant for other operating system as well. So first of all, let's open Capcut, and at the top left corner you can see the menu button right here. Just click on it, and after that a drop down menu will appear. Find here more and just hover your mouse over more, and you'll be able to see the next drop down menu. Here at the very bottom you can see your Capcut version 3.7.0 for example. Now let's click on it, and right here you can check for updates in this window. Click here, and here you can see that current version 3.7.0, but new version is 4.8.0 beta test version, and I advise you to install it. Here you can see the list of version updates, and to install it just click on the install now button. I need to install almost 600 megabytes on my PC. And finally the version is installed and I can use the new features of this program. And by the way, Capcut has a peculiarity that old versions are not deleted themselves. So the folder where Capcut is located can wait a lot, and I advise you to delete old versions yourself. So I will be glad to see your comments. If I was able to help you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.